Across the heart of the Pacific, a thin ring of coral holds a world of light. This is Kauehi, a living circle shaped by time, tide, and the quiet work of reefs. Here, coral polyps, tiny architects, build mountains beneath the sea. Their colonies rise, fracture, and rise again, forming the atoll's luminous lagoon. In this sheltered water, life begins. Fish nurseries shimmer in the shallows, protected by the atoll's embrace. At the outer reef, ocean and lagoon meet in a dance of currents, a boundary both fragile and fierce. Above, seabirds trace ancient routes across the sky, nesting on motu where vegetation clings to salt and wind. Plants here learn resilience. Roots grip coral sand. Leaves drink the sea's breath. For centuries, Polynesian navigators read these waters like scripture. The lagoon fed them. The stars guided them. The reef protected them. Even now, the canoe glides across Kauei's calm heart, a reminder that knowledge lives in motion. Kauehi is part of the Fakarava Biosphere Reserve, a sanctuary where science and tradition meet to protect what remains. Hands replant coral. Instruments measure clarity. Guardians watch over the reef. Children play where their ancestors fished. The atoll's story continues, carried by those who inherit its tides.
See the fish? It says reef life right here.
Wow, Grandma, it's so pretty. Look, it's swimming.
Yes, they all live together here in the reef. Isn't that amazing?
Look, there's a clownfish in the anemone. See how bright the colors are?
Wow.
They live together to stay safe. Nature is amazing, isn't it?
In Kauehi, ocean and sky meet in a circle of life, a reminder that the smallest beings can shape the greatest worlds.